Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss our second chapter, India, States and Union Territories. In this video, we are going to take a small introduction about the topic. Okay, in this chapter, mainly the states and their union territories. Okay, so we just introduction about the India, our country. Listen here carefully. First one, what do you mean by government? What do you mean by a government? Government is a set of people chosen by the people to control and manage an area, city or country and its people. A government or of people chosen by the people to control and manage an area, city or country and its people. Next one, what do you mean by capital? What is our capital of our country? New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of our country. And what do you mean by capital? Capital is the chief or the main city from which a government functions. Capital is the chief or the main city from which a government functions. Next one, states. We live in which state? We live in state Kerala. Okay, then what do you mean by states? What do you mean by states? The country is divided into small units to make the functioning of the government easy. The country is divided into small units to make the functioning of the government easily. These small units are called states. These small units are called states. And there are 29 states in India. And there are 29 states in India. Next one, union territories. What do you mean by a union territory? What do you mean by a union territory? There are also some areas in which there are not large enough to be called states. There are not large enough to be called states. These areas are known as union territories. And there are 29 states and 7 union territories. There are 29 states and 7 union territories. Let us read the chapter. India, States and Union Territories. Every country is controlled and managed by a set of people who form the government. The government functions from a chief or main city which is known as its capital. However, if the country is large, it is not easy to manage from a single seat of power. Therefore, the country is divided into small pieces, small units, to make the functioning of the government easy. These small units are called states. Each state has its own government. India is a large country. It has the second largest population in the world after China. India is therefore divided into a number of states with their own government so that it is easy to govern the country. Every state has its own capital city. Delhi is the capital of India. India is divided into 29 states. There are also some areas in India there are not large enough to be called states. These areas are known as union territories. India has 7 union territories, including the National Capital Territory of Delhi. Each union territory has its own capital. Next one, take the page number 172. Look at a map. The 7 union territories are directly ruled by the central government at Delhi. And the study that states and their capital, and 9 union territories and their capital. You can study it properly, okay?